In this video, I'm going to be working on the Kawasaki Mule hood, and I'm going to be replacing or building new brackets because the plastic one are broken. And then I'm going to show you what type of primer I'm using to be able to paint on plastic without the paint coming off. Yeah. I'm going to reinforce all these with metal, and I'm going to make this bracket out of steel. So the first thing I'm going to do is removing all this plastic. So what I want to do with this is something like this. Remove all the plastic and make a slot where I can run a piece of metal like this. This is going to be part of the bracket. Run it through this slot, and there are 2 holes at the end. So this you cannot see here very well, but there are 2 holes, so the crack or this won't continue going. I put this disc for the rotary tool. Just like that. I'm going to change tool from the cutter to the sander. Now I'm going to make 2 holes, so whenever this load is done, the crack won't keep going in any direction. It will be stopped at these holes. And to cut the slot between these 2 points, I'm going to be using this cutting tool. Now I need this cut to be a little bit thicker. This is probably 1 millimeter. I need like 2 millimeters, so I'm going to use a small file just to open it up a little bit more. It's going to require a little bit of work. Alright, this is how this lot looks when finished. This one and that one right there. So my idea is I cut these metal pieces, make holes so I can attach it to the Kawasaki Mule. This one is going to go through this slot. It'll be pretty much like that. Then I'll mount the hood on the Kawasaki Mule, and I'll mark where the plastic meet the metal, and this is going to be the cutting line. So this is how the bracket looks like when they are installed, and I'm going to mount the hood and pass it through these brackets. All right. They may need a little bit of bending. And while this UTV is built like a tank, this is one of the weakest points. I think Kawasaki could have done something like this, metal brackets or something. Next, I'm going to cut the bracket, and you're in a real welder or fabricator if you don't weld or grind on crocks. That feeling when the sparks find their way in. And this is the hood in its location, and this is how the bracket is looking. I need to grind a little bit more here at the top before I weld the plate that is going to be mounted here. These are the two brackets. I'm going to drill them now. So I'm blue marking the brackets so I can use the caliper to scratch the line where I'm going to be drilling the holes. And these are the brackets that I need to weld now together, kind of like this. So next I'm going to be welding both pieces like that. So in the end it looks something like this. That one is not finished yet. Ugly as it can be. Next I'm going to put them in the vise just to close like this. So I have put the bracket already on the Kawasaki Mule, but I haven't attached the bracket to the hood already. So just I'm gonna check if I have to do any fine tuning. But so far working good. I like it. So these are the brackets, once painted the same color of the hood. Welding came a little bit crappy, but they will get the job done. No hardware as well. And next I'm going to be sanding the hood and removing the old paint. And with this bracket, what I did is I just drilled these two holes and then I reinforced everything with a piece of aluminum at the bottom. Alright, and one last detail. And this is how it looks with the hood finished and painted. The bracket came out really nice. So yeah, I like it. Thank you for watching.